Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All you have to do is go to the drop-down menu on the top right, and you'll see the option to switch to new Facebook. It'll be near the bottom of the menu. This will automatically switch everything over to the new layout. There you go. That's all there is to it. Point 2 April 2020.
Take our lead.
If you don't see an option to make an avatar in your app, you might need to update your Facebook app on iOS or Android. Once you've updated in the App Store or Google Play, check to see if you can find the avatar feature. To do this, use any comment box and click on the Smiley button, then the Sticker tab. Point 20 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The idea behind dark mode is that it reduces the light emitted by device screens while maintaining the minimum color contrast ratios required for readability. Both iPhones and Android handsets offer system-wide dark modes. However, you will still need to set up dark mode on some individual apps. Point 25 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most noticeably, Facebook's new design brings dark mode, which can be toggled on and off through a switch in the settings drop-down menu. It's designed to minimize screen glare while maintaining contrast so you don't blast your eyes with a white background while in a dim room. 19 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Go to the More menu in the top navigation and scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Open that section. If you're part of the test, dark mode will be listed there. Click on dark mode, and then you'll have the option to select on, off or system, which will adjust dark mode based on your phone's system settings. Point 2 November 2020.
Take our lead.
How to switch from classic Facebook to new Facebook. Click on the small dark blue triangle at the top right at the end from where you can read your name beside the notifications option. Then click on the Switch to New Facebook option. This will change your classic Facebook to new Facebook. The 18th of June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to get Facebook dark mode on desktop. Log into Facebook and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Switch to New Facebook in the drop-down settings menu. Click Next in the pop-up welcoming you to the redesigned Facebook interface. Select Dark on the right side of the Choose a Look pop-up. The 20th of March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to switch back to classic Facebook from new Facebook. First, click on the small white down triangle at the top right of the blue bar at the top. Then choose Switch to Classic Facebook option to switch to old Facebook. Now, you will be asked to give feedback. The classic Facebook will appear on your window. The 18th of June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.